Let's talk about togetherness, because that is what Atlanta is about. Being together, the sense of belonging, that source of pride, that overwhelming emotion that comes from the knowledge that whatever is happening, the city always comes together. From the railroads to the connector, from the soccer pitches to the packed house at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, we come together. Atlanta, this is our story. We are the rising home of the beautiful game, and we invite the world to the A, where the stripes define us and the spike unites us. Living as many, standing as one. From here, or new here, together. It's in our roots, it's in our history, it's in our present, and it's in our future. It's our unbreakable bond that drives us to conquer any challenge. Together. This is the connector.